What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? Ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this Farrah Fawcett do for you. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boo. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And baby, yes, to everything that's going on my head right now. To everything that's going on my head right now. I love this down. I love this down. I love it down to the point where I don't know what to do with myself, you know, like this is beautiful. This is grown and sexy. It's very Farrah Fawcett. It's very, ooh, y'all know I got an old soul. So I love anything from the eras of the 80s. Like, I'm an 80s baby anyway, you know, so this stuff is embedded in me, you know, like this is just, today's hair is by IDefinewig, and shout outs to the new sponsors. Yes, to the new sponsors. We love a new sponsor over here. Okay. It is my first time to work with them, and right out the bat, they're blowing me away. They are blowing me away. I didn't have to do a lot to this. You always hear me say that, but that's the premise of a wig, okay? That's the point of a wig. Like, you're not supposed to be doing a whole lot. You're supposed to put it on your head and get right on out the door, okay? It is supposed to save you time and make you glam just like that. That's the point of a wig. Like, sometimes we just be doing too much. We just be doing too much. Okay? This is beautiful to the point where I don't even, I like this. I like this a lot. Let me get into the specs. Okay, this is their Ombre Chestnut Brown Layered Curtain Bangs Wavy 5x5 Closure Lace. I have an 18 inches and I have 180% density on my head, and she is full. She is a vibe. I like her a lot, okay? Now, she came pre-curled. She came pre-everything. This is also one of those pre-everything units. It's pre-cut and it was pre-curled, so I didn't have to do a lot. I still went in and curled the hair, and I also layered the hair for my liking, you know, just put a little bit more layers in there without taking away too much of the body, because I love thick hair. If it's one thing about me, the thicker the better. 180 density looks like this. This is beautiful. They also have a 200 density, which I'm sure is giving full on glamour. If you can get the 200 density, get the 200 density, boo, because what's going on here? And it's 18 inches, so it's one of those like natural feminine, I don't know, I must be getting older because I'm feeling the, you know, like the shorter lengths, like the shoulder lengths. Like, I'm here for it. This is so pretty. This is just on a whole nother level. Like, look at this. And it's not glued down, y'all, okay? I just put some tint in the lace because the lace was on the transparent side. Oh, stunning. Like, hello? It's giving glam. I love this. I love me a good curtain bang, honey. Okay, we need to take it back to the 80s. Yes. I like, ooh. And the color is not too much. I feel like it fits my complexion really well. Like I said, it's my first time to work with them. Listen, I already told y'all, if it is not good here, it doesn't make it on here. Believe me when I tell you, if I'm hype about something, I'm going to promote it. If I'm not hype about it, I'm gonna just contact them. I say, I don't like this hair. This can't make it on here. You see what I'm saying? Like, but ooh, it's the, I don't know if it's the layers or the color. I don't know if it's the layers or the color. It's everything. Are you serious right now? She is beautiful, and I feel very sexy and feminine in her. I feel very girly and elegant in her. This is gorgeous, stunning all the way around. Like, I don't know what to say. It is on the silky smooth texture. Yes to all of this. Yes to all of this. Listen, I am not gonna hold y'all. Let's just get right on into the video, okay? All the information for this unit will be in the description box. Make sure you go and check out IDefinewig here and get this unit. Baby, like, are we for real right now? This is so good. I love it. I love this. I love everything about it. The curls, the density, the color, the cut is so good. It is too good. Let's just get right on into the video.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no, little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No, little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no, little by little I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I always run I'd rather jump and rest the fall. I see no limits in the sky, no little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here, 'cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. Little by little here, I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all I can be. Let me be all I can be. My all, all. I pour out my heart. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can.
You blow my mind. You blow my mind. Outstanding. Ooh, girl, you knock me out. Excited. Ooh. I'm listening to my favorite DJ. Y'all already know how that go. Listen, that's all I did to the hair. I put it on, saw what needed to be done, took it off, did some layering. Like I said, and she holds a curl, y'all. She is holding this curl. And to know that I reversed the curl from what it actually came naturally curled as, and it looks like this. I barely put any product in it, okay? I like this. I like this a lot. This is such a pretty unit, and she's great for winter. She's great for any season. I like this a lot. I feel good in this. I like when I put something on and it just enhances. You see what I'm saying? What's already going on here? Yes, listen. Make sure you check out IDefinewig Hair. All the information for this unit will be in the description box. 10 out of 10. I recommend this. You have to get this. Yeah, you have to go and get this one. This is good. This is too good. Just put some curls in there. Do a little bit more layering if you need to, if you want to. And the color, they did such a great job on coloring her. Like it already comes colored like this. This is top tier here too. It's really silky smooth. It's beautiful. It feels really good and airy on the head. Like as you can tell, I have the fan on, and you know, she's just blowing, like she just giving body, all of that. Yes. Anyways, y'all, make sure you check them out. Everything will be listed in the description box. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe. Come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG. Everything is under my name. Make sure you check out IDefinewig, and shout outs to them for sponsoring today's video. Yes. Until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Ooh.